Yeah. Butter it up. I mean, that's a do not time. Brownies. It's a butter up the what's it called?
The pan.
The cookie shit.
Yeah. I need the. Oh crap! I need to have butter. Oh yeah, we
Butter it up. So what you want me to do?
I can. You hold it.
Yes.
You hold it.
You have to contribute.
I contribute.
Butter that piece up. Yeah, butter it up. That's called the smother and dapper. Quick, easy, and quick.
Don't we need to put flour?
Do we?
I don't know, that's what my mom
Check the
did.
instructions.
That's what my mom did. What
Yeah.
did it say? You told me to put butter, that's why I put butter.
Oh yeah? I asked you like to read this.
It says cooking spray.
Oh yeah, cause it's the non-stick cooking spray, which is like oil. You know, which is the same as using butter, I think.
Mom! Did we put flour? No. Butter.
What does it say in the instructions?
Well,
It says non-sticking cooking spray.
we don't have a non-sticking cooking spray.
Oh, at the bottom?
Yeah, on the pan.
So you put the butter, spread it around really good, and then you put a little bit of flour, and then you shake it and kind of coat a little bit and make it, shake it so it coats the, so it doesn't stick.
Thank you. That was very helpful.
Yeah. We were doing it. Yep.
Where's the flour?
So we put butter in. A magical cabinet. I mean, cabinet.
So she did too. What? I'm sorry.
A little flour. Get a little flour.
Get a little flour.
And eggs. With flour. Are you shaking?
Shake that up.
This is chocolate.
You sure that's enough shaking?
This is too.
Never enough shaking.
Well, this is my favorite chocolate. That's your favorite, Hamito?
Yeah.
Hamito. There's a flower.
Is
That's flour. The flower's in your nose.
it is?
Yeah.
I did not know.
Where is it, Vivian?
In the nose.
What does he have in his nose?
Flower.
Sure it's flour?
Yeah. You smell like with your boogers.
Yeah, boogers.
Hey!
What?
Hamito put some chocolate in my finger.
Hey, you're dripping. Give me some.
So that's. Oh my god! Don't smell in my
Is
head.
that it?
I think so.
Oh, I'm stirring it.
How long is the video?
Damn, I don't know. It's 4:38.
Because I don't want to be more than
More than what?
Oh, that's
I don't want it to be more than 5.
Oh, it's about to get there. Why don't you want any more than 5?
It takes a while to upload
Yeah.
on YouTube.
It does stick in.
Yeah.
Give me a spoon, Vivian.
Alright, so as soon as it hits 5.
Yeah, I guess.
I got
Bye,
it.
guys. What'd you call me?
Baby head.
You call me baby head? What'd you call me?
Baby head.
Why'd you call me baby head? That's mean. Yeah, it is. I'm not a baby head.
I always said to you, I said to
Freddy,
Nico.
she called me Freddy? I called you Freddy. Freddy, she called me a baby head. Damn, I feel it from here. Damn.
Freddy head.
Freddy head? Freddy head.
Freddy pants?
I don't know about pants.
Freddy
Maybe.
underpants.
Call these again?
Oven mitts.
Oven mitts.
Yeah.
That means underpants mints.
It's like a club.
Funny jokes.
Watch him work, watch him work. Watch him, watch him. You
Watch
be careful
his
with the hot oven, you know? You can never be too careful. Ooh. That does not look good. How long do we wait now? 20 minutes? 30, 40? Huh?
Now what? Now we gotta eat
28 minutes.
28 minutes? Where? 28 at 31? Damn, 28 at 31 minutes.
I'm put 28. See what happens.
Okay, purple heady.
Where are we going?
Put the
Okay, purple head.
timer on my phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, purple head.
Your face.
Permito. Permito. No. Permito.
Is there like a smudge on the lens, or is it just me?
There is?
I don't know.
Permito.
Why?
Yeah, I think there is.
Permito.
Yeah.
Permito.
Okay. How was 28 minutes?
Yeah, it's 28 minutes.
I call you, my funny voice. I call you Bumbleberry Head.
She called me a bumbleberry head, dude.
No, I said to her, Mito have Bumbleberry Head.
You have a bumbleberry
Tell me
head.
shows.
You have a
I
bumpy.
don't like that one. That's rude.
You have a bumpy. What was it?
Rude.
What do you call him?
A bumpy lip?
Bumpy head.
No, you said something else.
A bumpy face.
No, you said a bumpy something head.
Bumpy head. That's how I
No,
said
you
it.
said something else.
I said bumpy head.
I thought you said something else.
I said bumpy head.
Yeah?
Okay, bumpy pig.
Oh, that's messed up.
A bubble berry pig. You said boogers. Okay, little booger, honey dog.